Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is my second part of head gasket replacement. Now I show you how to this head gasket replace. This I open now this timing bell. This timing bell adjustment fully bolt is 14 millimeter. I put out this timing bell fully belt. Where you open this bell timing, you remember this is top up of mark. This firing order is number 1. I also open this manifold and type it cover. This type it cover have a 13 millimeter box. If you need for open this type it cover, there have a 4 nut for type it cover, 13 millimeter nut. This I put out all nut of type it cover and then I put out this type it cover. Let's look this oil and water mix. Where oil and water mix, this oil color you saw, white color. This is oil and water mixing. Otherwise this color different. Now I put out every injector socket. Look, I show you how to this color, off-white color. This oil color changing because this water and oil mix it. This head gasket damage. For otherwise color is changed now. You also mark it this exhaust camshaft and intake camshaft. Here have a mark. I show you where is mark. You must be put it on marks. This both of cam. You saw there. There have a mark for timing mark. Yes. You saw exhaust grilly have tension. Where you need to this exhaust camshaft open, you must be put inside 10 millimeter bolt because this tension gone out. You didn't put this 10 millimeter bolt is gone out of. Now I open timing camshaft fully. Look, this is timing camshaft fully. There has 14 millimeter bolt. You need to open this cam fully, and I open timing plate. You don't forget for this about cam bolt. This 10 millimeter you must be put it this camshaft bolt, this 10 millimeter. I show you this 10 millimeter bolt you must be put. Now I open it is camshaft half. It's also 10 millimeter bolt. Now I open it is headboard. This 12 millimeter bolt. This is bar fall bolt. I finished my open. Now I put out this head and I show you which cylinder go inside water. I put out and then I show you which cylinder inside go water. So go water is number 4 and I show you there on head. Look this one. This cylinder is okay. 1 2 3 this 4 number 4. This cylinder is have a problem number